Hello, cleaning enthusiasts! Today, we embark on a journey into the world of ultrasonic cleaners, unveiling the top 5 ultrasonic cleaners of 2024. These cutting-edge devices promise to redefine your cleaning experience. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to stay informed about the latest in cleaning technology. Starting at number 5, Raji DSG001 Ultrasonic Cleaner. The Raji Ultrasonic Cleaner combines advanced ultrasonic technology with a comprehensive application range. Operating at a frequency of 46,000 Hz with 35 dU power, it effectively removes surface dirt from various items without causing damage. The large 500 ml capacity, 304 stainless steel inner tank, and ABS outer shell make it durable and versatile. This ultrasonic cleaner is designed for a 360-degree deep cleaning experience. The touch-screen operation and 4-option timing set add to its user-friendly features, from jewelry to glasses, watches, and even delicate items like contact lenses. The Raji Ultrasonic Cleaner covers a wide spectrum of cleaning needs. With a commitment to advanced technology and thoughtful design, Raji offers a quiet and comfortable cleaning environment. The high-standard waterproof design, coupled with voltage protection and other safety features, ensures the product's reliability. For users seeking an ultrasonic cleaner that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, the Raji Ultrasonic Cleaner is an excellent choice. Its wide application range and thoughtful design make it a valuable addition to both households and professional settings. At number 4, Unmui Ultrasonic Cleaner. The Unmui Ultrasonic Cleaner is an industrial-grade cleaning solution suitable for electronics factories, jewelry factories, dental clinics, and homes. With tank capacities ranging from 2 liters to 10 liters, this stainless steel ultrasonic cleaner offers deep cleaning through a powerful 40 kHz ultrasonic frequency. The LED display and digital control panel make operation simple, allowing users to adjust time and temperature settings. The cleaner's ability to generate ultrasonic power between 60 W and 360 W ensures efficient cleaning without damaging items. Unmui focuses on practicality and functionality. The cleaner's 360-degree deep cleaning capability and simple operation. Just add the cleaning agent, set time and temperature, and press start. Make it a convenient choice for various applications. For those in need of an industrial-grade ultrasonic cleaner with a straightforward operation, the Unmui Ultrasonic Cleaner is a reliable option. Its robust construction, LED display, and comprehensive application make it suitable for a range of professional settings. At number 3, Ultrasonic Ultrasonic Cleaner. The Ultrasonic Ultrasonic Cleaner takes cleaning technology to the next level with its smart degassing function. This feature, removing gas from the cleaning liquid, enhances cleaning effectiveness by 40%, saving valuable time. The cleaner is suitable for a wide range of items, from glasses and jewelry to kitchen utensils and clothes. Ultrasonic has made significant upgrades to its ultrasonic cleaning machine in 2023, focusing on aspects like degassing, ultrasonic frequency optimization, heat dissipation, motor efficiency, and safety features. The result is an ultrasonic cleaner that operates at a frequency of 4350 kHz, ensuring optimal cleaning intensity. The effective heat dissipation system and the use of a double-ball DC motor contribute to a quiet and efficient operation. Safety features like voltage protection, overcurrent protection, overload protection, overheat protection, and short-circuit protection are incorporated into the design. For users who prioritize advanced features and a quiet cleaning environment, the Ultrasonic Ultrasonic Cleaner is an excellent choice. With additional details like cleaning storage baskets and watch and jewelry holders, every aspect is designed to enhance the user experience. At number 2, Granbogie 008 Ultrasonic Cleaner. The Granbogie 008 Ultrasonic Cleaner is a compact yet efficient solution for household cleaning tasks. With a tank capacity of 0.8 liters and ultrasonic power options of 35 W or 60 W, it's designed for versatility. The 40 kHz ultrasonic frequency, combined with powerful transducers, ensures effective cleaning even for items with complex shapes or long-time stains. Granbo, a leading manufacturer in ultrasonic cleaning equipment, brings its industry experience to this digital ultrasonic cleaner. The adjustable time and power settings, along with support for degassing, provide flexibility for various cleaning needs. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, the Granbo J008 features a noise reduction lid and built-in handles for easy handling and cleaning. The design details, such as heat dissipation holes, showcase a focus on user experience. For users seeking a compact ultrasonic cleaner from a reputable manufacturer, the Granbo J008 is a reliable choice. With a commitment to fast delivery, a 1-year warranty, and attentive service, Granbo ensures customer satisfaction. At number 1, Vever Ultrasonic Cleaner. The Vever Ultrasonic Cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning solution for a variety of items, ranging from jewelry to metal tools. Available in sizes from 1.3 liters to 30 liters, this ultrasonic cleaner is equipped with a 40 kHz ultrasonic frequency and a robust transducer for efficient cleaning. The adjustable time and temperature settings, displayed on the LED screen, enhance its usability. Constructed from premium SUS 304 material, this ultrasonic cleaner ensures durability and longevity. The inclusion of a noise reduction lid, built-in handles, and heat dissipation holes reflects a thoughtful design. The 304 stainless steel tank, with capacities ranging from 1.3 liters to 30 liters, accommodates different cleaning needs. The Vever Ultrasonic Cleaner is not just about power, it's about user-friendly design. The digital control panel allows you to set the cleaning time and temperature precisely. The heating function, ranging up to 176, significantly improves cleaning efficiency. The availability of various tank sizes ensures that you can choose the one that fits your specific requirements. For users seeking a reliable and durable ultrasonic cleaner for both home and professional use, the Vever Ultrasonic Cleaner stands out. With the backing of Vever's reputation for tough quality at affordable prices, it's a compelling choice.